America, a nation that rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most powerful countries in the world. But do you know the story behind its rise? Today, we'll uncover the untold story of America, from early exploration to innovation, growth, and global influence. Long before America became a nation, European explorers sought new lands and trade routes. Spain and Portugal led the way, sending experienced voyagers across oceans to discover new opportunities. In 1492, Italian explorer Christopher Columbus sailed for Spain with 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. While his goal was to reach India, he instead discovered lands in the Caribbean, marking the beginning of European exploration in the Americas. Columbus's journeys paved the way for further exploration, mapping, and settlements that would eventually lead to the growth of the United States. By the late 17th century, the Atlantic coast of North America had 13 colonies. These colonies became centers of trade, innovation, and cultural growth. Many settlers were seeking religious freedom, political opportunity, or economic prosperity. Communities thrived, and local governance evolved, giving people a voice in decision-making and setting the stage for a democratic society. The colonies gradually developed a strong sense of identity. They valued self-governance, civic responsibility, and freedom. While connected to Britain, they also sought the ability to manage their own affairs. Conflicts over taxation and governance led to debates, protests, and eventually, the call for independence. Iconic events like the Boston Tea Party symbolized the colonies' determination to shape their own future. Enjoying the story so far? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PMT History, and drop a comment with your favorite moment in America's history. In 1775, the Second Continental Congress prepared the colonies for revolutionary conflict. On July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed, formally establishing the United States of America. George Washington led the Continental Army with courage and strategy. With support from allies like France, the colonies fought for freedom, winning a decisive victory. By 1783, the Treaty of Paris officially recognized the independence of the 13 colonies. Following independence, America embraced innovation, commerce, and expansion. The 19th century saw incredible achievements. Lewis and Clark expedition explored vast western territories. Technological innovations like the telegraph, railroads, and steam engines connected the nation. Agriculture, industry, and trade flourished, giving rise to cities and infrastructure. America became a land of opportunity, attracting immigrants from around the world, each contributing skills, culture, and ideas. From early exploration to independence, innovation, and global influence, America's story is one of vision, determination, and progress. The journey of this nation continues, driven by the values of freedom, opportunity, and innovation. This is the untold story of America, a nation that rose from humble beginnings to become a beacon of hope and achievement for the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PMT History, and drop a comment with your favorite moment in America's history.